check it.
Got Applebees today. Got the big Cluckin chicken sandwich. So it's a chicken breast with mayonnaise, shredded lettuce, pickles, more mayonnaise. You can get a tomato, but you already know, no tomatoes for me. Get some fries up in me first. They're not bad. They're well seasoned. I like how they put a lot of pepper on this, but they're okay. Let's get some honey mustard on them. A lot better. Applebee's honey mustard is really good. Sweet tea. Oh man, I'm shocked. Last time I had Applebee's sweet tea, it was terrible, but it's on point. Thick and juicy like I like them.
Good morning there, juicy fruit. Looking like a cutie, sweet sugar beauty. Just wanna say, baby doll, happy morning.
Ralph the Mouse.
It's juicy, it's fresh. For $9.99, it's not a bad deal at all. Let's add some honey mustard to it. Add over here.
Ralph the Mouse.
Another one.
On point. Another dip. I'm going to give that chicken sandwich an 8. I'm going to tell you why. It's a basic chicken sandwich, but it gets the job done. It tastes good. It's juicy. And you get fries and this big drink with it for $9.99. I mean, you can't beat that. I mean, at any fast food place, you're going to be paying $10, $11, $12 for a chicken sandwich meal. So for them to have this, it's a good size. It'll definitely, satisfy you. It's enough food for $10. I think it's good for the price. And the chicken sandwich, again, it was very good. For just to be just chicken sandwich, lettuce, and pickles, it was good. So definitely recommend getting that. And don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that follow button, and I'll see y'all next time.